Welcome back Tech Geeks. This is Careerwala 360. Before starting POCs, today we will look into the details of the Microsoft Azure support ticket creation process. Whether you are a developer, an IT professional, or a business owner, knowing how to effectively raise a support ticket can save you time and ensure a smooth experience. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Azure account and are logged into Azure portal. I have already created a video in which I have explained how to get free Azure subscription and have $200 for exploring Azure resources. Video link can be found in the video's description. Once you are all set, follow these steps to create a support ticket. So the first step is to navigate to the Azure Support Center. To do this, we have to search help in the top search bar. Here we can see that the service is help plus support. Click on that. Here you can see all the description of your support tickets, like the tickets you have already created in past. So I have created this ticket like on 2nd of July. So for creating new ticket, we have to click here, create a support request. To create a support ticket, we have to fill all these four sections: problem description, recommended solution, additional details, and then we can click on review plus create and then create the support ticket. So in first step, we have to fill the issue type. So Azure is providing us four issue types like billing, service and subscription limits, subscription management, and technical. So we will look into these four issue types like one by one in very brief. So the first one is billing issues. Like if you have like any billing inquiry, cost management, anything like that, you can create your support under this section. The second is like subscription and service limits, like request to increase the service limits related to your Azure resources can be performed in this issue type category. The third one is subscription management. In this, like this category covers like issues related to managing your Azure subscription, such as like charging subscription or ownership, updating account details, and adding or removing users. Other thing that can be done under this is like resource management, like if you require assistance with creating, updating, or deleting Azure resources. The fourth one is, sorry, is technical. So in this technical, what you can do is like create service requests related to Azure service availability, troubleshooting, or like performance optimization. So these are just a few examples of the types of the issues that can be resolved under each category. It's important to select the most appropriate issue type when creating a support ticket to ensure that your concern is routed to the right team within Microsoft Azure support system. Remember, when you are creating your support ticket, provide detailed information about your issues. For this video, we are going to create a support ticket inside issue type billing. So let's select billing from the issue type. And then here we can select our subscription in which we need support, like whichever subscription you have problem in, you can select it here. In summary, you have to describe your issue. So let's give a short summary over here, and then you can provide the problem type, like some more details on the problem. I have already typed this thing so that I don't have to type it here. So Azure is loading the problem type. So I can select here like pricing. Yeah. Problem some type. This I have questions about my spending limits. So click on next. Azure will automatically recommend a solution. Like if their AI can resolve your problem, then it's well and good for them. They don't have to like provide manual effort to you. So if you like the solution the Azure is providing, you can watch the video. If you are satisfied, then that's fine. Else you can return to support request, and then if you want, you can click it here like yes, no, anything. But I will go to next. So this is the third and the final step where we have to provide all the problem details. So in problem start date, you can write the date when the problem started. This is the UTC time, in which the time zone in which I am currently living. So you have to give your subscription ID here. Like you can select NA if you don't want to give your subscription ID. And you can type the error message, whatever you want to convey to Azure, like this, the build amount for the storage. You can read it after pausing the video. You can upload the file if you want to, like if you have some supporting images or some screenshots, you can upload it here. If you want to give the advanced diagnostic information to Azure, then you can give it like Azure will automatically take the logs and all, and they will like do the diagnostic and provide you solution better. They have given recommendation that you should select yes, so I am going to select it yes, so that this problem can be solved earlier. Now you can provide the contact method, like whether you want the support engineer to contact over email or phone. If you are selecting phone, then you have to provide the value over here, the phone number. So I'm selecting email only. So this is the support language, in which the language in which you want to get communicated, and then the details are pre-filled. If you have already created the subscription, these details will be pre-filled for you as well. So let me click on next. After that, you can verify the information you have provided here, like whatever information you have provided is correct or not, and then just click on create. I'm not going to create this ticket. This will like unnecessary put burden on Microsoft Azure support engineers. I don't want this solution, so I am not creating this ticket. But if you create, like just click on this create button, this ticket will be created. So friends, that's it for today's video on the Microsoft Azure support ticket creation process. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in understanding how to raise a support ticket effectively. If you have any further questions or need assistance, you can always connect with me in the comment section below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Azure and career related content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in next video.